Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make orange and cranberry cake without added oil. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 17 centimeter loaf pan with parchment paper. Zest the oranges. Squeeze orange juice. Cut the dried prunes into small pieces. In a bowl, combine tahini, coconut sugar, maple syrup, Marnier, orange zest, orange juice, and mix until completely smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, sift together flour, cornstarch, almond powder, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon powder. Add the dried fruits and nuts into the flour mixture. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and fold gently with a spatula until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Bake for about 35 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool and remove from the pan. Combine the powdered sugar with Marnier and gradually add water until the desired consistency. Pour the sugar glaze over the cake and decorate with dried cranberries and pumpkin seeds. This cake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. To keep them longer, slice the cake and wrap with plastic wrap individually and freeze them up to a few months. You can also substitute the Marnier with water for the sugar glaze. I hope you enjoy making this delicious orange and cranberry cake and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.